Howdy guys, Logan and Richard back again with RV Parts Country to show you another product highlight video today. So yeah, Richard, what we got?
Alright, so starts off we've got the Camco 20-foot Super Kit. This is your two hoses. It's broken down into two 10-foot sections. We've got the dump station, we've got all the caps, and the adapter over here is clear. So we'll talk a little bit about that, tell you the fun features that go along with them.
So yep, this is a complete sewer kit, everything you need as far as fittings and everything, caps, it's all going to be included. So yep, really nice sewer hose here, so 20% thicker hose, 18 mil I believe it is. So
yep.
It's Camco's thickest, strongest hose that they've came out with yet.
Yep.
It's also had the swivel Revolution style bayonet, so it's really nice and easy to that too. So what else?
Alright, so we've got also comes with the clear adapter. This will go on your dump valve, that way you can actually see when your tank is actually done dumping. You've got to give a little heads up on that.
And same thing for the hose here with the clear elbow. You'll be able to tell that your hose is fully drained out.
Then again, we've got the storage caps. When you're not using the sewer hose, you just want to close it off. You've got the one with the bayonet fitting and your lug cap. Close those off, and they'll actually fit in a 4-inch bumper cap. So stow those away in your camper. Be ready to go.
So alright guys, really great sewer hose with Camco Super Kit. Check it out. We'll leave a link in the description. Also follow us on Facebook, like the video, and thank you guys for watching.
Alright, y'all remember to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We'll be doing more of these videos like this. Have several to come. Thanks everybody.
Thank you.